Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Sign in with your account, grant storage and contacts permissions so the app can access files and recipients, and choose a stable Wi-Fi connection for speed. Once done, open the Share panel, select the file type you want to send, and pick recipients from the app list. This saves time and avoids manual linking. Make sure to accept prompts quickly, because the app needs those permissions to work correctly. Now continue the process by selecting files and choosing how to transfer them. Tap each item or use batch select for multiple files. This reduces repeated taps. Once selected, choose direct transfer for nearby devices, create a share link for remote recipients, or use group share to send to many people at once. Make sure to set quality or compression options if file size is constrained, because that determines upload time and recipient download effort. Once you confirm, the app begins staging the upload. Complete the task by watching the transfer until it reaches 100% and the app shows confirmation. You should verify receipt by asking the recipient to open the file or check the delivered status in the app's history. Once done, tidy up by deleting temporary uploads or expiring links to protect privacy. If something goes wrong, try a retry or switch to link sharing. A common fix is toggling permissions or reconnecting to Wi-Fi, because interrupted networks are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.